Pero dito ako papasok sa may security guard guys sa exit. Ayan. Lahat po ng tenant guys, lahat ng tenant doon sa likod po dada. Kasi maaga po yung tenant kasi kailangan bago mag-10. Pag Saturday, Sunday guys is 10 and Monday to Friday is 11. All hours is 11 to 9 and then after weekend is 10 to 9 Saturday, Sunday guys. Yan, this is SM letter E. I know it's letter B. That one is letter B and the other one is letter C. And here is letter E. So dito sa guys. Ang laki pala ng SM Bikutan guys. Talaga. Para siyang mega mall guys. Ayan guys. Yan po. May letter P pa guys na SM. Ang haba guys. Ang haba ng SM. Pero mas mahaba yung mega mall guys. Sa Mall Trade. Grabe. Dito po ako papasok guys sa may exit, sa may guard area. Ayan. Bye guys! Good morning guys! Yan, dito po ako papasok guys. Ganda ng mga puno dito guys. Good morning guys! How are you? Everything okay? Bye! Good night, mahal. I know you're already asleep. Bye guys. Bye-bye. Papasok na po ako dun sa may guard. Bye. Morning, morning. Bye, mahal.